Welcome back everyone to Econ 101. In the last class we have discussed about the cardinal utility approach mathematically as well as with the help of diagram. However, cardinal utility approach it has certain shortcomings. For example, the assumptions which were taken in case of cardinal utility, they were extremely doubtful. As a result, an alternative theory of consumer behavior was developed by Hicks and Allen in 1930s. So there was dissatisfaction with the Marshallian approach, as a response to which this ordinal utility theory was developed. So the new theory which was developed by Hicks and Allen is known as ordinal utility theory. Now the question is, what is this ordinal utility theory? In case of cardinal utility, we have seen that utility can actually be measured either in terms of utils or in monetary terms. However, in ordinal utility theory, utility cannot be measured. However, the consumer can rank the consumption bundle according to his preference. So let us see what preference is, right? So here we know that in daily life or in reality, the consumer can purchase n number of commodities. However, to keep the things simple, here we are considering that the consumer purchases only two commodities. Commodity 1, good 1 and good 2. So there are two combinations of good 1 and good 2. The first combination is first bundle, which is X bundle. X bundle consists of X1 amount of good 1 and X2 amount of good 2. And consumption bundle Y consists of Y1 amount of good 1 and Y2 amount of good 2. And according to the ordinal utility theory, the consumer can actually rank consumption bundle X and Y based on his desirability. So the next question is, how can we understand that the consumer prefers which bundle to what? So what are the different types of preferences of the consumer? So there are three types of preference. First one is strict preference. The first one is strict preference. So if there is consumption bundle X and consumption bundle Y, we can say that consumer is strictly preferring bundle X to Y only when bundle X is strictly better than bundle Y, which means X consumption bundle is giving him much more utility or satisfaction than bundle Y. Now how to denote that? The notation is like this. It's more or less same as greater than, or X R Y. So this is the idea of strict preference. When consumption bundle X is strictly better than Y, then we can say that consumer strictly prefers bundle X to bundle Y. Number 2 is weak preference. What is weak preference? When consumption bundle X is at least as good as Y, then we can say that X bundle is weakly preferred to Y. Or we can say that there can be two cases. Either the consumer prefers X to Y or he is indifferent between these two bundles. That is the idea of weak preference. Finally, we have indifference. So what is indifference? So if he has consumption bundle X and consumption bundle Y, he is indifferent or equally satisfied with both the bundle. It is denoted as XIY. So these are the three types of preference: strict, weak, and indifference. In the next video, we will learn about the axioms of consumer preference. So there are different types of axioms, for example, completeness, reflexivity, and transitivity. So we will learn about those axioms in the next video. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.